Check out these replacement earbuds that work for any type of earbud setting. Now these are fantastic. There's black and white options in this package. And we can bring them out. There are 4 different sizes for each option. Now we do have options like this, which is kind of like a doubled up earbud, which will go into your ear and keep it very soft and comfortable. And if you have a really small ear canal, we also have this tinier option over here. So these are the 2 options that we are looking at, and there are many options in between there as well. Now these work for any type of use, and all the sizes that we have with this are small, medium, and large, and then the doubled up one that I mentioned as well. Now these are great for anyone who loses earbuds that will just, you know, fall off and be lost forever. You will have some replacements when you pick these up, and they're just so comfortable. They're made of silicone that is very, very comfortable on your ear. And I just love the fact that you get white and black options. Now there are several different, earbuds that you can use. Now this is the large version of the white option, and then the doubled up one of the white version looks like this as well. So let's say we had some earbuds that were kind of falling apart and they needed to be switched up with one of our replacements. What we'll do is take this off, and so there we just have our little earbud plug ready to go, and we'll take this new version of the replacement earbuds and place it on just like so that it will just hold with the earbud just like that, and we'll be all set to go. It's very simple. Highly recommend grabbing these if you can, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.